Flies pose several health risks as they can carry and transmit various pathogens that can cause diseases. Here are some of the dangers associated with flies. Disease transmission: flies can carry bacteria, viruses, and parasites from contaminated areas to clean food or surfaces. For example, houseflies, Musca domestica, can spread pathogens responsible for diseases like diarrhea, cholera, typhoid, and stomach infections. They can contaminate food and drinks we consume. Skin infections: some types of flies, like the black fly or certain parasitic flies, can cause skin infections by carrying larvae that infest human skin. These larvae can lead to conditions like myiasis, where the fly larvae burrow into the skin. Allergic reactions: the feces and body particles from flies can become airborne, potentially causing allergic reactions in some individuals. This may lead to symptoms like sneezing, itching, or irritation of the eyes and respiratory system. Food contamination: flies are known to land on garbage, feces, or contaminated food, and then transfer pathogens to uncovered food, leading to foodborne illnesses and food poisoning. Vector for parasites: flies can also transmit parasitic diseases, such as filariasis and other illnesses caused by worms or microorganisms, potentially leading to more severe health complications. To minimize the risks associated with flies, it is essential to maintain cleanliness in the environment, cover food, and use fly control measures such as traps or insecticides to reduce fly populations.